Hello, today we'll be presenting our business opportunity, a portable acoustic and RF early warning system for military drone detection. During this presentation, we'll discuss the different components that compose the business plan. The table of contents includes the team, opportunity identification, market analysis, what is the product, marketing and sales, and product development. Venture and knowledge management, risks, financial planning, and next steps. The team consists of me, Travis, Keith, Ricky, Timothy, Ben, and Jake. Our business opportunity is a portable acoustic and RF early warning system for drone detection. We identified this opportunity because infantry soldiers currently do not have a lightweight, man-portable system that can provide early warning of incoming drone attacks. When technologies such as acoustic sensors and RF detection already exist, our innovation system is applying them together in a wearable design for frontline personnel. Our goal is to improve situational awareness and ultimately reduce injuries and casualties during combat operations.
Our primary target customers are NATO members, special operation units, and defense agencies who want to improve soldier survivability against drone threats. The growing use of drones in recent conflict has increased demand for portable counter-drone technologies. Unlike existing vehicle-mounted or radar-based systems, our product is designed specifically for individual soldiers. This creates a unique position within the market by offering a portable solution that can be deployed across such a much wider range of military operations. This product is a wearable drone warning system designed to alert dismounted infantry to small FPV drones before they can be seen or heard. Recent conflicts, especially in Ukraine, have shown a major survivability gap within these low-cost, highly effective threats. The system combines an acoustic array that detects rotor noise with passive RF sensing that detects drone signal. AI and machine learning filter out birds, vehicle, and background noise to reduce false alarms. It provides directional warnings at ranges from 25 to 500 meters, giving soldiers valuable, valuable reaction time. The device is lightweight, low power, easy to use, and requires no specialized operator training, making it suitable for widespread infantry deployment.
Our product is modular hardware node supported by a subscription-based firmware update system. This ensures the device can continuously receive the latest threat definitions and remain effective against evolving drone technologies over its life cycle. Our pricing strategy is focused on delivering maximum value within defense procurement budgets. By extending the operational life of each unit through software updates, we reduce long-term replacement and upgrade costs. For place and distribution, deployment is maintained closer to major domestic defense innovation hubs. This allows for rapid collaboration with military partners, researchers, and industry stakeholders to accelerate capability improvements. To promote the product, we focus on high-security field trials, live fire demonstrations, and realistic operational scenarios. We also engage directly with key decision makers throughout defense technology exhibitions, symposiums, and professional military networks. Together, this approach supports both technical credibility and long-term adoption within defense organizations. Our product development approach follows an agile, iterative process. We will rapidly prototype the multi-sensor hardware combining RF and acoustic detection technologies and continuously improve the design through multiple development cycles. A key focus is refining our sensor fusion capabilities. By training AI algorithms, we can accurately distinguish drone signatures from background field noise. Testing and validation are critical throughout development. Live field trials will be used to measure detection range, optimize battery performance, and verify the system remains completely passive with no electromagnetic emissions. As we progress, we will move from our laboratory prototypes to field-ready product. Our final goal is to achieve military-grade durability and IP67 environmental protection, ensuring the device can operate reliably in demanding operational conditions. These milestones provide a clear path from concept development to a deployable system. Next slide.
Our company will operate as an independent venture focused on a specialized defense market. This allows us to stay agile and concentrate on solving a specific operational problem rather than competing across multiple markets. In the early stages, we'll maintain a collaborative and informal team structure. This helps foster innovation, rapid decision making, and comes with the flexibility needed for a startup environment. As the company grows, we will gradually transform towards a matrix structure, allowing teams for engineering, operations, and business development to work together efficiently on multiple projects and customers. Knowledge management will also be a key part of our growth strategy. Throughout product development and field testing, we will capture lessons learned, analyze performance data, and continuously refine both the technology and our processes. This creates a culture of continuous improvement, helping us innovate faster, improving product performance, and maintaining a competitive advantage over time. Next slide. No startup is without risk, so we've assessed three possible scenarios of their financial impact. In the optimistic case, rapid certification, accelerated military adoption, and expansion to dual-use commercial markets drive strong growth. This could generate an additional $2 million in value and support faster international expansion. Our baseline scenario assumes steady progress through validation and testing, successful defense pilot programs, and continued grant funding. Under this scenario, we achieve our year one revenue target of approximately $150,000 while maintaining planned cost levels. In the pessimistic case, challenges such as certification delays, supply chain disruptions, or technical setbacks could impact deployment timelines. This could result in a net deficit of roughly $75,000 and require operational adjustments or strategic pivot. By identifying these risks early and linking our funding strategy to measurable milestones, we can manage uncertainty and maintain a clear path towards commercialization and long-term growth. Next slide.
Moving on to our financial plan and path to profitability. In year one, we are targeting approximately $150,000 in revenue through initial defense pilot projects and innovation grant opportunities. These early contracts will help validate the product while generating our first commercial revenue. Our cost structure is designed to remain lean, with operational and R&D expenses tightly controlled. We are targeting a gross margin of approximately 50%, while total fixed costs are projected at around $130,500. Based on these assumptions, our break-even point is approximately $261,000 in revenue. This reflects the significant upfront costs associated with hardware prototyping, testing, and military certification requirements. In the early stages, we expect lower margins due to hardware development costs. However, our long-term growth strategy is to transition toward recurring high-margin revenue through subscription-based software, firmware updates, and ongoing threat definition services. This approach creates a more predictable revenue stream, improves profitability over time, and supports sustainable growth for the business. This slide outlines our planned fundraising roadmap and how each stage supports the company's growth. We begin with a seed of our friends and family and founders round, raising approximately $80,000. During the first 6 months, this funding allows us to build the initial prototype and demonstrate the core technology. Founder investments also signals commitment and confidence to future investors. The next stage is a government or defense R&D grant between 6 and 12 months, targeting approximately $150,000. This funding supports the highest risk technical work, particularly sensor fusion and machine learning development. Because grants are non-dilutive, they provide capital without requiring founders to give up equity. After validating the technology, we would pursue a Series A angel round between months 12 and 24, raising approximately $1.2 million. This funding would support certification testing, product refinement, and securing the first pilot contract. Beyond funding, the angel investors can also provide valuable defense industry expertise, procurement contacts, and credibility. Overall, this stage approach reduces risk by matching funding to key milestones and ensures capital is deployed efficiently as the company progresses towards commercialization.
The key milestones required for each fundraising stage are as follows. At the seed stage, our goal is to develop a working prototype that demonstrates the core concept. For grant funding, we need to develop and validate this advanced sensor fusion and machine learning capabilities that enable accurate drone detection while minimizing false alarms. For Series A funding, the focus shifts to commercialization. This includes securing a pilot contract and successfully obtaining any required certifications. Each funding round acts like an option to fund the next stage rather than a long-term commitment. This reduces investor risk because funding is tied to measurable milestones, while also helping founders avoid giving up excessive ownership too early. Based on our venture valuation analysis, assuming over 45% annual return over 5 years, the company is projected to be worth approximately $16 million to achieve the required investor return of about $7.7 million. Series A investors will expect an ownership stake of roughly 48%. This milestone-based approach aligns funding with progress and supports sustainable company growth. Looking ahead, our priority is to continue refining the product and advancing the technology through ongoing testing and development. At the same time, we plan to expand our team by attracting top engineering and AI talent while maintaining the agility and innovation of a startup. To develop strong returns for investors, we will focus on building awareness and adoption through targeted marketing and engagement with military defense customers. We also plan to emphasize subscription-based software and update programs. This provides customers with continuously evolving protection while creating a sustainable recurring revenue stream for the company. By combining product innovation and market growth and recurring revenue, we aim to build a sustainable business that develops long-term value to both customers and investors. Thank you for everyone for your time and attention today. We hope this presentation demonstrated both the operational need and business potential of our drone warning system.